Is any way you can infer from what is happening in the entertainment sector that we don't seem to lack the depth of what we need to turn things around? Can we draw any inference from there?
I don't want to use the entertainment sector as a comparison. That's like comparing apples and oranges. I'm sorry. I have to call a spade a spade. They are totally different. Number one, entertainment. That's just what
that seems to be what we are known for.
I know, but I don't really want us to. I mean, it's good what they're doing, and I have friends who are actors and actresses. Big ups to them. Producers and directors. Thumbs up. But like I said, apples and oranges. What's happening in that industry and that sector is good. That is an export for us and all that. But I still come back. Okay, let's talk about. I'm sorry, I keep going back to China and India. India, we are growing up. We all watch Bollywood. Do you hear us screaming about Bollywood too much? No, they still have their movies. In fact, when I go to do my hair, the ladies are all watching the Indian soaps. So they're still doing that. So they still have that as a sector over there. They're still working on tourism. But the thing is, diversify your economy. That's the thing. Like I said, Chinese, they diversify their economy. Yes. India, they diversify their economy. That's what we need to do. We can't just rely on Bollywood and say, okay, they're going to be bringing in people for tourism and watching our movies. And even that, there's piracy in that industry anyway. And
that's again part of the engineering.
Exactly. You guys do this. We can help you.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's find a way to not leave the younger generation totally dismayed.
No.
So, you should show there's hope.
I am very sure there's hope.
You sure there's hope?
I'm absolutely sure there's hope.
No. For what you're saying about Nigeria, by the current educational system,
the hope is that we'll all start working on it step by step. If we look at the big, we'll get overwhelmed and too daunted. But if we start looking at these small incremental steps, I believe, yes, we can. But it starts by steps. These people do not get to where they are now. I just told you what had to happen. And even and even with what they did, it didn't just happen too. There must have been things that they started noticing. They started watching several things. I said, you know what, we need to start working on this. We need to start changing this. Making corrections. And I'm sure it wasn't just a day or a year. It was in increments, in steps, and in steps, and in steps, and in steps. And look at where we are. So we too, we can do it.
Okay. Now, your last statement for this. Scientist community in Nigeria, do we have a community in Nigeria? How are we going to get STEM on the street? How are we going to get STEM to the Bolisela? How do we going to get STEM to parents who can't seem to understand what is it about this mathematics and what's all this new fangled educational method? We want to start pushing down our throat again.
No, I'm not pushing down anything. I'm already saying something you already know. And I'm saying it from that young girl who used to be afraid to somebody who really loves it right now. And I'm saying it to your children, our youth, who have turned away from math.
Yes, totally.
And maybe who don't like it. I'm saying it from their perspective. And I'm saying that please, let's all help all of them. Just bring it down to their own level. And let me just say in parting, okay? I told you the story of when I was in secondary school. Now imagine if that teacher had walked into that class and said, wow, hello boys and girls. Guess what? Today in physics, we're going to be learning about projectile motions. Why is it important? It's important because projectile motions is what NASA used to get the astronauts in space. And we're like, oh wow, so it's actually important? And then he now starts putting out the quadratic equations and starts putting them there and say, okay guys, projectile motion consists of whatever. We're all listening, we're all engaged. And then when he starts bringing some questions that have to do with space in flight and motion in space, guess what? You're going to want to try and solve those problems. And then when he gives us a project, okay, I want you guys to design this. We're going to be like, oh, you're already involved. You're like, wow, I can't wait. That's what needs to change. That's what needs to change. And they need to have people like us helping to try to bring about this change, this reform for our educational system. And that's what I'm going to say in parting.